Hello everyone, another quick video of the Ranger Raptor. Right from the day when I bought the Raptor, or even before that, I had this idea that I wanted to be able to transport simple things in the bed of the truck without them flying around and potentially being damaged. For example, I don't know, picking up someone from the airport, having suitcases in the back, or going for groceries, buying groceries, putting them in the bed and not in the cabin. So I was a little bit disappointed because Ford actually offers a really nice bed divider thing. It has rails that go in here and then has anchor points, and you put in some solid divider that goes from left to right in the bed, and you're able to move it back and forth as you like, which will then effectively create compartments where you can put stuff that doesn't move in the bed left and right or front and back. But this divider system apparently doesn't fit the Ranger Raptor. On the Ranger Wildtrak it's available. It wasn't even installed in the showroom, but the Ranger Raptor, they told me no, it will not fit. So yeah, well, instead of crying about that, I researched other possibilities and I found a cheap solution, I hope. I'm not yet sure if it is a valid solution or not. Might be a complete loss of money. But, well, I guess we find out together today. So, this is a ratchet thing that goes into the truck. You extend it to a certain degree, then you lock it in place and you give tension to it by using the ratchet. Okay, that's part number one. Part number two is this TC Pro XL Trunk Crate Pro, which is supposed to be a trunk organizer. I'm hoping that this can be fitted to this one and then effectively create a good grocery compartment in the back. And this thing is movable, so you can create different compartments, for example for the before mentioned suitcases. I hope this will solve my problem. Let's find out together. I'll unpack it and see if this is actually a solution, which I hope. Okay, size-wise, not as big as I expected. It was supposed to be the XXL version. If this is the XXL version, then, well, could have been bigger, I guess. These are the compartments and some straps. So let's just rip it apart. I'm too weak. There we go. Let's put this in here. And then, well, basically all I need is 2 or 3 compartments. So I'm guessing this goes, they can be put like this, okay. Then you have compartment 1. Okay, seems to work, but I want it a little bit more over here so it better fits a grocery bag. Okay. And then I want this one in here. Same kind of setup. Okay. Easy enough. These, not sure what to do with it yet. I'll just put them in here. Oh man, this feels good. Got a good feel to it. I guess, this is the, okay. So I should have put them in first. Let's quickly do that. Oops, something inside gears. No. They give stability to the whole thing. I understand. Same story here. It goes in here. All right. And then back go the dividers. There we go. Oh, that will do for now. And the other one goes back like that. Okay, and now we have 4 compartments. Now, how to make sure, here, there's a handle, there's a handle, so in theory I should be able to move this in here. Do it like that. Do it like this. Don't want to make it too big. All right, this should do for now. Those go back in here. This goes back in there. Move it in. Yes, and the ratchet thing also came with a net that you also can attach to it. Not sure if I'm ever going to use it, but I'm sure it's useful, but not today. All right. Oops. So I want it right here, or maybe I will put it here because of these. This thing would be okay to hold it, this thing would be okay to hold it, but on the other side I have the external power supply thing, which might not be that good. Or maybe, because I would rather have it further back and have it like this. Okay. All right. So in theory, that should be enough. That fits pretty well, better than expected. So now it sits in place. It can go until here, no further. When braking, accelerating, it will be protected by the tailgate. Think that's good. I think that's okay. Easily removable if I want to get it out again. I just okay, snap this, open it more, and whoop, it releases. Okay, and we go. Great. Take out the trash that doesn't fly out. That's it. I think it's a pretty good solution so far. We'll go for groceries today and give it a test. Obviously it has to fit the bed cover closed, and it does. Protected from dust and wind. Alright. Well, that's it. Short video today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, to like, hit the bell icon and leave a comment. And even more important, please watch the video to the end, because that's all what YouTube algorithms care about these days. Thank you guys. See you next time for another Ranger Raptor video. Bye bye.